I got tagged by Wild Wicked Night, so I will be talking about 5 facts about me. Fact number 1. I have many old theme songs from old TV shows memorized. I didn't try to memorize these TV songs. It just sort of happened. The TV show theme songs that I have memorized are, there's so many I had to write them down. Okay, Saved by the Bell, The College Years, Who's the Boss, Welcome Back Kotter, Laverne and Shirley, Charles in Charge, Facts of Life, and its spin-off, Different Strokes, Green Acres, Fresh Prince, and 2 shows for Nickelodeon, Hey Dude, and Salute Your Shorts. I'm sure there's more theme songs, but these are the ones I could think of offhand. I can sing any of them on cue. Fact number 2. Besides alcohol, I only drink water or coffee. I don't drink iced tea or juice or anything else that you can think of that's not water or coffee. Or alcohol. Fact number 3. I love hoodies, and I have over 30 of them. And here they are. These are like overfitted hoodies. These are like you get the idea. Fact number 4. One of the reasons you don't see me making videos as much as I would like is because I'm currently in graduate school, and that is like flushing time down the toilet. Fact number 5. My favorite decade is the 1950s. So, those are my 5 facts. I hope you enjoyed that. Alright, I have to tag people, because that's how you keep a train going. Well, a YouTube train, not a regular train. I'm tagging Joker Rose, Johnny McManus, if I pronounced that correctly, Derek Futro, Rhythm 7A, and Marty Duke. So make the fact video, or don't, or do, or don't. It's up to you. Bye. Yeah, I wrote down in the book who I was tagging. I didn't want to forget. It's a nice book. I hope you come back soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. I won't be sedated. Just put me in a wheelchair and get me to the show. Hurry, 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 before I go to the door. I can't get to my fingers, I can't get to my toes. Oh no, oh, oh, oh. Bam, 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 bam. I wanna be sedated. Bam, bam, bam. 1950s culture, the cars, I love the car shows, the TV shows from back then, music.